Hey guys, I'm going to be recording my KIDDE model KN-COSM-BA. A combo with smoke and carbon monoxide alarm. This one has voice capability. It and This is my fire alarm board. My collection is gonna be growing, but this is my alarm for now. Here it is.
Fire. Warning, carbon monoxide.
I'm gonna do it one more time.
Fire. Warning, carbon monoxide.
Thank you for watching. I might do this alarm later. I don't know. And this alarm I am not going to do today because they don't have any batteries in it. So yeah, I guess you guys now know that I am a fire alarm enthusiast as well. See ya.